Hey, I'm sorry for not posting for a while, but I will start posting a lot more. Starting today, I'm going to be posting at least every other week, but at the very least once a month, and I promise you that. Now, let's get started with the video. Hey guys, welcome back to Mixer Dude Tech. Today, we are officially starting a new series on this channel. How to create your very own website. Now, there are lots of different ways we can create websites. I mean lots, I mean two. So, and there may be more. So, I'm going to mention these two strategies now. I'm going to be creating series for both of these strategies, with and without a domain. Today's episode is going to be about buying a domain for people who want to do HTML. For example, a domain is like wilsonsissel.com or google.com or whatever. Bing.com. You know what I'm talking about. That's what a domain is. I'm going to teach you today how to buy your very own domain. Now, but first, let's talk about the two strategies. One way to create a website is not buying a domain and using Wix.com, Google Sites, Squarespace, or any other website builder. You don't need a domain for that. The only thing you need is an account, an email, a password, and boom, you're ready to go. And the domain hosted, for example, on Wix, is yoursite.wixsite.com. But with HTML, you can have your very own custom. And with these website builders, you can also have a custom domain too. I will not be showing you that. So let's get started on today's episode of how to create your very own website. Now, if you want to buy a domain, which is what we're going to be doing in this episode, I recommend two domain providers: Google Domains and GoDaddy. Google Domains is for simple people who just want simplicity, and it's just really easy to set up. You can just buy it, and then it has a real simple chart. The thing I like about Google Domains is that it's just simple to use. It's very easy, and that's just what I really like about Google Domains. But for wilsonsissel.com and mixerdude.com, I use the other one, which is GoDaddy. Now, GoDaddy is for like more advanced users. Not the most advanced users, but more advanced. Sure, GoDaddy is simple sometimes, but you have to go through lots of links, while like Google Domains, you can just go on the charts all on one page. Sure, there's a few tabs. It's still very simple, much more simple than GoDaddy. So, Google Domains and GoDaddy are the two domain services, or as most people call them, registrars, I recommend. We're going to be showing how to buy domains on both these services today. Let's get started with Google Domains. Quick note before we get started. For Google Domains, I am not going to be showing you how to manage these domains, as I do not have any domains with Google Domains. But I will try to find some pictures of what Google Domains may look like. I will be only showing you how to buy them. I will try my best. Just a quick disclaimer before we get started. GoDaddy, though, I do have MixerDude and WilsonSissel.com associated with GoDaddy. And I will be showing you that, believe it or not. Now let's get started. Now here we are on Google.com. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to GoDaddy.com. So we're going to be typing that in the address bar. Yep, we're going to be starting with GoDaddy.com. So, first, here we are on GoDaddy. What we're going to want to do first is create an account. Use your email, and create a password. Okay? So let's get started. We're not going to be creating an account because I already have an account. So the example domain we're going to be buying today is we're going to be typing some random characters. Mixerdude.org. I'm not going to actually be buying this domain. So sure, they might have deals. So if you're lucky, you could have this. So what you're going to want to do is click add to cart. And honestly though, I honestly think GoDaddy's buying process is simple, honestly. Now we're going to continue to cart. And you can choose the domain protection. I would do no thanks, but you can if you want, you can pay extra money to get protection. So no, if you want to start your website using this website builder, go ahead. But I'm not going to. You can get email, built-in email from GoDaddy. I recommend G Suite for this. I'm not talking about like enterprise. I'm talking about like basics, only $6 a month. But at least with this, you can get like email essentials for just $2 a month. Sheesh, it's a lot better than $6 a month, which apparently it's usually anyway. But I click no thanks, and let's continue to cart. You know what? So you know what? GoDaddy tries to like sneak you into extra things. For example, 2 years. Be careful. If you only want 1 year, look out for this. Boom. 1 year. And now, it's only $10. But if it has a deal, keep in mind, it renews the next year for its normal price, which in this case is $21. Curious though. Half off. Alright. Now we click checkout. Now, you're going to add your payment. Click save and continue, which I'm not going to do because it will say invalid because I didn't add payment. But, once you do, you will have successfully purchased this domain. Nice. Now, if you did this with GoDaddy, if you just did this, congratulations. You now own a domain. How freaking cool is that? Now you can go around saying, oh my gosh, I have a domain. I can't believe I bought a domain. I can just go brag everywhere. That's what I do. I'm kidding. I sometimes do it. Not as much as like YouTube, like bragging out YouTube channels and promoting them everywhere. No, I don't really do that. Sure, other YouTubers do, but not me. I don't do that. I may be lying, but I'm not. Trust me. Seriously, I'm not lying about this one. Alright, now, let's move on to the awesome and simple Google domains. Let's get started. Now, here we are on Google.com. So what we're going to be doing is typing in the address bar domains.google.com and clicking to continue. So, now we're on this page. We're going to be typing the domain we want. For example, mixerdude.org. Click enter. And just like the GoDaddy, it will say it is available. $12 a year. Just a bit more expensive than GoDaddy, though, apparently. But still, at the same time, $20 is GoDaddy's normal price. So actually, it's cheaper. Another advantage of Google Domains is it's just cheaper than GoDaddy, apparently. For some domains. Now, we add it to the cart. Now we go to the cart. If you want privacy protection, it's all free. So, you turn on privacy protection, auto renew. I mean, like, you can select the year, how many years you want it for more money. You can add Google Workspace, which I absolutely recommend. And you can click checkout and it checks it out. Boom. Now I will not be showing you how to use Google Domains. But GoDaddy, I will not do it today. I'm going to do it on the next video. Could be next week, could be the following week. It could be any week. Could be in 2 years. It could be 10 years. It could be in 1,000 years. Now, before I go crazy with 1,000,000 years from now, I'm going to go back to, there you go. Okay, what am I doing with my life? Just kidding. Now that was how to buy a domain using either GoDaddy or Google Domains. But I personally recommend, if I had to choose between the Google Domains and GoDaddy, I would choose Google Domains. Why? Cheaper, in some cases. Much more simpler. And another thing, it looks better. It's like, it has tabs instead of like links everywhere. It just looks better. A little. But the part that makes it really unique or favorable by me, and I really like it, is the fact that just how simple it is. I just like it because it's just so simple. Now, I'm going to end the video here. Now I'm going to thank you so much for watching Mixer Dude Tech. I will see you guys next time. By the way, next time we will actually be looking at Google Domains. GoDaddy. How silly could I be? There you go. Check it out, 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 check it out. Check out wilsonsissel.com for some cool websites. By me, and programs, of course. Also, I have no ads, so it's not like I'm earning any money from this. Just saying. Oh, and if you really want some cool websites, check out wilsonsissel.com/websites. There should be, if you want to submit there's a link at the top to submit. I also have a comment section there. Like, in the submit thing, like, you can comment. Now, if you want to contact me at any time, you can contact me at mixerdude.com. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time. Okay, I promise I'll stop talking now. Man. Big news. I'm actually starting back up Mixer Dude jokes. Check it out at the link below.